Hey guys, Tristen Gosselin here, and we're back with another property tour. Today we're checking out a unit in a building called Pinnacle Residence. We're right in the romantic zone. The details of the unit is it's a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom. It's 1,120 square feet, and it's priced at $795,000. A lot of you probably already know about the Pinnacle buildings because they are a bit of a staple here in PV. So many people come down here and stay in the Pinnacle buildings year after year. They stay in it once, they fall in love, and then they just keep coming down to rent it over and over again. Units in this building rarely come for sale. I haven't seen that many come on the market, even in the last 3 years. There's not that many sales that happen in this building. I think once people buy here, they end up being pretty happy. They're able to rent it out when they're not staying themselves, or they come down as long as they would like. I actually have a little bit of insider information for rentals in this building, especially this unit and this floor plan, because I actually own in this building as well. I bought it as a rental property. It's been just generating ROI for the past 3 years. So I know what it can rent for. I know how much money you can make on units like this. It's the identical floor plan. You're just one set over and then 2 floors up. So for mine, you actually just have jungle views. From this one, you have a great ocean views. So even if you can get the profits that I have gotten in here, they'll just be that little bit better because now you have ocean views. So it is a great unit, and I can tell you that from personal experience. So let's go check out the unit and you guys can see for yourselves. Okay guys, here is the unit. I'll give you a quick view of the main living area and kitchen. Before we head in, I'll just show you right off the start here. We have the in-suite washer dryer, plus a bit of storage space here. Back up so you can see it all. So enough room to store some stuff in there. And then also nice to have the in-suite laundry. And then over here, right off to the left, we have the kitchen. Obviously full setup. The fridge does have filtered water, so you don't have to worry about trying to find water for your renters or any of that stuff, or whether you're coming down here yourself. It already does have built-in locks for certain cabinets up there. As an owner's closet if you want to keep some supplies there. It is currently being used as a rental property right now, so there is some rental history and stuff, so we can reach out and get that if you'd like. But like I said, fully equipped kitchen, dishwasher, oven, stove, all that stuff. These windows are actually tinted, so it'll protect a bit of the heat and the sun from coming in, and then they also open up. And then this is kind of your main living area here. And with this big patio, obviously these doors open all the way up here. And then you have amazing indoor-outdoor living with some ocean views. So we'll go check that out. Obviously the camera does not do it justice, but you can actually see the water very well from here. And then it's nice you have this little kind of jungle set up in front of you. This tree is actually protected, and then this villa right here actually just got purchased. And so since this tree is protected and then this just got purchased and the plot size is not big enough, you can't actually build a development here. And if they do, it would have to be 2 or 3 stories. So your views are pretty well protected. Obviously, I just never say fully protected in Mexico. You never know what could happen, but odds are you are pretty good here. Out here, we also have a barbecue. And then you have some bar stool seating. If you open up those windows, you can sit at the bar there. And then this is the master bedroom. The mirrors along the outside is just a wall, but the mirrored windows here actually lead into the bedroom. So you can see and you get some good ocean views from your bedroom as well, while still having the privacy there. So we'll go around and check that out. Here is the master bedroom. And then these are the mirrored windows. So you can still get some natural light in the room. There's lots of storage in here. You got the cubbies over here, and then you got a closet over there. And then the ensuite here. Love the shower. There's actually a decent amount of room in here. And then you have some vents up there if you want to open those up. And then just across the hall, you have the secondary bathroom and the secondary bedroom. So we'll check this out. Finished quite similarly. Same setup. Shower in here as well. And then the bedroom. So this window does actually go interior to the hallway. And then the closet, you got your hanging room over there. And then some shelving and cupboards over here. And there's actually a good amount of storage up top as well there. All right, and then we got the rooftop amenities here. So we'll go up here and we can see the gorgeous infinity pool. You have some of your loungers on the left here. There's a bunch more that we'll get to as well. Over here, you have more room, different seating, more for like eating and having drinks and talking to friends. You have the high top table there as well. We'll go over here and you'll actually be able to see there's a green, like a grassy area. It's fake grass given, but it's like a little grassy area that a lot of people use for tanning because the tanning beds are down there. So we'll go over here, show you the views and that. So yeah, just to the right there, there's the stairs to get down, and then that wraps all the way around. So lots of tanning space for you. And then, as I think I mentioned a little bit in the intro, but this is a public rooftop in the sense that people can come up here and use the bar and order drinks and sit in the upright chairs. But the loungers, the tanning beds, and the pool is just for owners and renters. And then there's the swim up bar area as well. And then over here, you'll be able to see more of the tanning area. So like all of these lay down chairs are all for residents and renters only. So people can come up here to sit at the bar or the tables that we were at, but not any of these stuff. So, you know, there's always going to be some room for you. And over here, there's even a little shower if you want to rinse off after dipping in the pool there. One thing I forgot to show you up at the top here, you have the bathrooms off to the right. And then there's even another bar area over here. And then if you want to be a bit more secluded, or you have a really big group, or you just want less people around, this area as well, it's hardly ever used. Every time I come up here, no one is over here. So great area to come and relax, and it's a bit more shaded in case you don't want to be out in the sun. Okay guys, that's everything you need to see for this property. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me on WhatsApp. It's the fastest way to get a hold of me. If you liked the video, please like, share, and subscribe, and we will see you in the next one.